You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Hey guys, welcome to the show. Jack Scalfani here, and I just want to talk about something serious. I'm sure you guys have heard of the company Boars. Well, they have put out some tainted meat, some deli meat, and they're like one of the leading manufacturers or producers of deli meat. So bottom line is 9 people have died already from their meat. So I stopped what I was doing. I researched this because I'm like, how do I make my own deli meat? I don't want to be buying that garbage. So we're going to show you today. It's called a meat press. We're going to make our own. You can do this with any meat. You can do it with ham. You can do it with steak. You can do it with chicken. We're doing chicken today. So let's get started. Let's take a close look at this, and I'll show you the parts. All right, so here's the main canister. The meat goes right in there. All right. Then this plate goes on top of the meat, and this spring goes on top to press it down. And then this screws down, and this is your thermometer. So you can tell when your meat's done. I literally, I think I knew this existed, but I never thought about doing this until Boars. So guys, watch carefully how easy it is, and then you should make your own deli meat. Don't feed Boar's Head or the manufactured stuff to your kids. They're trying to, I won't even get into what they found in the factory, but it sure wasn't food. All right, so let's get started. So we're going to take our chicken, we're going to put it in a chopper, chop it up, and then pack it in here. Then we'll put everything together. All right, guys, we chopped up our chicken breast into sections, little pieces. Well, if I was eating it, it'd be big pieces. We're going to put our seasoning in. You can do it however you want. You can season the meat, then throw it in the chopper. I'm going to throw the seasoning in the chopper. Everything will mix. All right? So we're going to do some garlic. There we go. We're going to do some pepper. There we go. We'll do some salt. There we go. Just kind of eyeball it. You can measure it out if you want. We have no measurements. I'm just seasoning by hand, okay? Then you take your chicken pieces, stuff them in. It pretty much as much as you can get in. Don't cram it. You're probably going to have to do 2 batches. All right, here we go. So there's the metal plate that comes in there with little hooks for grabbing the spring. We're going to put it right in there. Press it down. Oh yeah, it's good. That's a piece of cake. Okay. You want to help me with this? Okay. So I'm going to do this off camera. So chicken goes flat across my kitchen. You guys ain't laughing at me for the next 10 years. Okay, so the spring's in there. The metal plate's pushing down on the chicken. There's there. And now we know where we need the thermometer. It's really tiny. You may want to find another one with a better readout. But we kind of know where we want this to be. So we're going to put this in the chicken. When this reaches, some people said 158. I know chicken has to be cooked to 165. So I'm going to cook it a little bit hotter than 158, the recommended, to make sure it's fully cooked. All right? So the next step, this is all packed. Next step, get some water boiling. Pot of water boiling. Okay, this is a very important part, okay? The water is now boiling. We're going to place this meat press in here. Please remember when you pull it out to use gloves, okay? It's going to be very hot. We're going to put it in there until it cooks to temperature. 165 is usually the temperature for chicken or chicken breast. Okay, so let's place it in the water. Okay, and we're going to leave it like that. There's boiling water in here right now. When it's done, we're going to pull it out, let it come to room temperature. Then we're going to put it in the fridge overnight, and then we'll revisit it. All right, so we cooled it down to room temperature, put it in the refrigerator for overnight. It's all cold now. We're going to open it up, see if it solidified all the chicken together, and then we're going to try and slice it. This could be an utter failure, guys. We've never done this before. Okay, let's put that off to the side. So we're going to slice it up right now. Go make like slices for a sandwich. That's good. You can stand that up again. All right. So let's look at this. Well, I like this one here. This one's nice. It's pretty solid. That's good sandwich meat right there. That's real chicken breast. Seasoned and everything. So we're going to give this a try right now. But like, it's holding together real well. It cut real well. Very impressed. So I think we're going to give this a try. The very first slice at the very end kind of fell apart, but everything else solid. Look, perfect for a sandwich right there. I'd get like a brioche bun, melt some cheese on it. Oh my gosh, it'd be so good. All right, let's try it out. Now let's see how it tastes. Garlic. It's really good. Seasoning is good. It cooked up well. It held together good. I'm going to do this again. I'm going to do it with ham. Any meat will work. It's the meat press. I'll make sure the link's down below so you can get this one, all right, that I bought. And give it a try. If you do try it, send me some pictures, all right? I love you guys. Take care. I'm going to snack on some more meat.